Have you ever wondered why a Rolex Daytona is one of the most sought-after luxury watches in the world? The Rolex Daytona is carefully crafted using premium materials such as oyster steel, 18-karat gold, and platinum. Every component is manufactured with extreme precision. Skilled watchmakers assemble hundreds of tiny parts by hand, ensuring exceptional quality and reliability. The heart of the Daytona is its high-performance mechanical movement. Rolex tests each movement extensively for accuracy, durability, and resistance to shocks. The watch is then certified as a superlative chronometer, meaning it meets very strict standards for precision. One reason the Daytona is so famous is its connection to motorsports. Designed for professional racing drivers, it features a chronograph function and a tachymeter bezel that can measure average speeds. Buying a Rolex Daytona is not always easy. Demand often exceeds supply, and many authorized dealers have waiting lists. Buyers can purchase new watches from authorized Rolex retailers or explore the pre-owned market, where prices may be significantly higher depending on the model and rarity. Many collectors consider Rolex watches an investment. Certain Daytona models have increased in value over time, especially limited production versions and watches with unique features. However, like any investment, prices can go up or down depending on market demand, condition, and rarity. Experts recommend purchasing from trusted sellers, keeping all original documents and packaging, and maintaining the watch properly to preserve its value. Today, the Rolex Daytona is more than just a timepiece. It represents craftsmanship, engineering excellence, and luxury, making it one of the most iconic watches ever created. Title: Rolex Daytona, How It's Made and Why Collectors Invest. Description: discover how the Rolex Daytona is manufactured, why it is one of the most famous luxury watches in the world, and how collectors use Rolex watches as long-term investments. Keywords: Rolex Daytona, luxury watch, Rolex investment, Daytona watch, Swiss watch, Rolex collection, watch investment, luxury timepiece, Rolex review, high-end watches.